Hi, welcome to our channel Inspired by Family. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a few basic beginner crochet steps that are essential for successful crocheters. In this video, you will learn how to do the slip stitch, the chain, and the magic ring. I hope to put out more tips and tricks for all you advanced crocheters out there, but we'll stick to these ones for today. Let's get started.
Use some yarn and some hooks. If you're a beginner, I would recommend using a bigger hook. If you've been crocheting for a while, I recommend using a hook like this. And if you've been crocheting for a while and are considered an advanced, then you could try using one like this. In this video, I'll be using this one. So let's get started.
So the end is in front of your hand. Then you're going to take the string attached to the ball and you're going to bring it forward over this hand. Then you're going to take the other strand from behind, pull it around, and wrap it up and through again. So now it's on the other side, and you have two on here. You take the bottom one, pull it over and off, and pull tight. Now I'll do that again for you. Is called a slip stitch. From there you can put it on your hook like this, and if you just pull these, it pulls tight. If you want to start again, all you do is take these and pull and it will come out. Next up, we're going to learn the chain. So for the chain, you have to do your slip stitch. Remember, you bring it from behind. Put your hook in and pull it tight. Now for the chain, you can hold the yarn however you want. I like holding it like this so that it doesn't just slide through and I can grip it.
Show how others have done.
Others can hold it like this or like this or like that. I just like holding it like this. Alright, next we're going to take the hook and wrap the yarn around the hook once. That's called a yarn over. And then you take the hook and you pull it through the other one. That's called a chain. Then you can wrap around again. So yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. These are chains. If you do a lot of them, it makes a long line. Go like this. Take this hand with the ball that's attached to the ball and you pull it through, but keep wrapping and make an X. Hook, go under, over, bring around and twist. Then you take this one, yarn over, pull through, and you can take your fingers out. I'm going to do that one more time. Take a I hope you learned a lot from this video. Subscribe for more and we'll see you next time.